Hey guys! I'm winning. Danielle here, and today I will be making a video on this bluish orangish halo eye look. And I have not done a tutorial in my channel, but I've always wanted to, but I really suck at makeup. Stay tuned to find out how to do this halo look. So we are going to take these two warm shades and add them on the eyelid, everywhere on the eyelid, and make sure that it's blended well. Then we will take this bluish color and apply that to the sides of the eyelid, and making sure that we leave a space on the part where we're gonna cut and put the halo so that it's easier to blend with the glitter. Now we're gonna take these two dark colors and apply them on the blue, just so there's more depth and it looks more deeper. Now we're going to take some concealer and cut that in the middle, or in the inner eyelid where we left some space, and make sure it's like kind of like wide. Now we're gonna take our brush and add some more blue so it's blended with the concealer. Now you're going to take some light powder and add that to the concealer so that it dries and it mixes well, or blends well actually. Now we're going to take some more blue and just make sure that everything's blended out with the concealer. Now we're going to take the shimmer eyeshadow color and we're going to put that on where the halo eye is, so it's shinier and it has like a cool look effect, you know. Now we're going to take this flat brush and make sure that everything is blended well into the eyeshadows. Now we're taking more blue and making sure the blue is blended. Now we're going to take some eyelashes just to finish the look. And I'm going to do my full face, so I'm going to stop right here. So this is the finished look, and I hope you guys like and subscribe and follow my socials. They'll be linked in the description down below, or actually I will not link them because I'm lazy. Yeah.